That's right. Hop in there, join and like the stream. Oh, my body's sore, y'all. Share this on X real quick. Share it on X real quick. Alrighty. Altcoin Shill, dog. Altcoin Shill, dog. Now is the time not to be giving up, guys. Now is the time not to be giving up. 4 likes. Hop in there. Hop in the chat. Hop in the chat. Big guy 470. What it do? Chat, what it do? I ain't talked to y'all in a little minute, dog. What y'all on? Kenneth, what it do? What's up with it, Brody? Got big guy. We got Fee Macmillan. Everybody's bullish, man. I made a video yesterday. I was asking you guys, are we too bullish? We got some crypto news today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Crypto Million. Every day I talk about crypto. If I'm not doing a video, I'm probably like somewhere in the woods talking about crypto, or I'm live streaming as I'm doing now. I'm not a big fan of live streaming like I was, but ooh, almost knocked my camera down there. My bad. Let's get this money. That's right. That's right. BG 470. Let's get this money. Let's get this money, man. Turn up. When y'all hop in here, make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms, right? So the market is looking okay, right? This is a good chance for sideliners to get in, but we are facing a little bit of FUD. I think the problem is that we're facing a little bit of FUD, and this FUD is funny. This is probably the funniest FUD that I've seen in a while, right? I've never seen, and I'm not going to speak on, you guys go out there and do your own research, but we do got some funny FUD coming in, right? So this article was the article everybody was talking about, right? I believe this is these guys right here, stance on BTC. I'm not even going to speak on it. You can see for yourself, but the highlighted sentence here is, if the price of Bitcoin rises for the good, the existence of BTC impoverishes both non-holders and latecomers. What that should tell you, the reason why they created the word common sense, because they want to say, come on sense, come on sense. It's telling you right now that, look, BTC can't be stopped. It's going to this price that we probably won't even understand because it's not inflationary. It's the true hedge to inflation, and the supply is finite. So it's allowing people financial sovereignty, right? And now you got these guys coming out and saying, if it rises, this is not good for the people that don't hold it, which is crazy. Like I said, guys, like, I'm telling you, man, I had some people hit me up for crypto. This is what they do. They hit me up for crypto when it's pumping, right? Soon as crypto have a bad day, I don't hear from nobody. But little do you know, the psychology of the market is you're supposed to take advantage of the days of correction, especially when we are in a bullish cycle. Now, bearish cycle, different, right? You could, put yourself in a position to be catching a falling knife. We all know that. But this is a bullish cycle. So this is crazy, right? I don't know what y'all think. This is crazy. So in 2012, they said it didn't exist. 2013, it didn't matter. 2017 to 23, they call it a bubble, Ponzi, and all this extra stuff, right? And now it's unfair. Give yourself a pat on the back, man. We're going higher. We're going higher. They pulling out all the stops to stop. Like they like, look, stop this. This ain't even fair because I didn't get a chance to buy. Chat, this is crazy. Chat, what we on? 17 people here. Chat, this is crazy. Y'all make sure y'all comment, man. It helps the algorithms, right? So make sure y'all comment. It really does help the algorithms. Make sure I'm still live here. I was expecting some more comments and get some likes up in here, man. But yeah, these guys are really pulling out the stops, right? But they can't stop what we got going on. Look at this. FinTech giant here. Stripe to buy crypto startup Bridge, right? So Stripe will buy stablecoin infrastructure provider startup Bridge. The fintech said in a tweet on Monday, the deal is valued at $1.1 billion. So another way to be able to onboard normies and newbies into crypto, right? Now they're asking me, right? I just had a truck driver ask me yesterday. They were like, Millie, I want to buy crypto. I want to get into it, but I don't know which one to buy, right? So I think that's going to be like the learning curve for people that do come into crypto at this point, because they're trying to figure out what to buy. They don't understand, because now it's like millions of. I think I had about 3 people that I know reach out to me and ask me about crypto yesterday. Yesterday was a very crazy day, right? Somebody asked me at the gym about it. Somebody asked me a personal family member, and then a truck driver asked me about it. So that was 3 people that asked me about cryptocurrency and intrigued by it. But you can tell when I had the conversation, I could personally tell that they had no idea what it is, right? In fact, some people still ask this question of, is it real money, right? Is this real money? Can I go use and utilize it? Guys, there's a lot of exchanges that are allowing you to utilize the crypto gains that you do earn through these cards that they give out. So if you have an exchange that has a card, you put yourself in a good position. They also have offboarding straight to your account, depending on how open your bank is. But again, I don't really get with that. I rather just hold stable coins, right? Stable coins, and it is what it is, right? I've never been a big fan of transferring crypto gains directly into my bank, but that's me. Everybody has to do what they have to do, right? Stripe was founded by billionaires John Collison and Patrick Collison in 2010 and was valued at $65 billion earlier this year, and it is among the highest valued private startup in the US. So this is a US startup interested here into crypto bridge, right? A step in the right direction. We also have the SEC approving options trading for multiple Bitcoin ETFs, and the XRP founder Chris himself donated $10 million to the Kamala campaign. So that was interesting. $10 million in XRP, so they can figure out how to utilize XRP, right? Again, onboarding people that probably have no idea how to utilize crypto. And then we do have Avalanche AVAX here releasing the Visa card for crypto payments. So this is, again, guys, a example, right? Similar to what you see from crypto.com and these other entities coming up with their own crypto card, where you don't have to offboard into a bank. You can just literally put your AVAX on the card and use it in everyday life, right? So we are seeing cryptocurrency being injected into basically everyday life, guys. Salute to the K-Whiff team. These guys been going streaming for like 4 days in a row, right? If you're in a Patreon, the last week or so, man, I've been putting so much hitters in the Patreon. It's been crazy. It's been crazy. But it's because I'm literally on the screen every day, so I'm able to really like be, to have access to things that happen in real time, right? That's the best way to get into things early, right? When K-Whiff came across my table, it was in real time, right? I seen one of the people that pushed the project, to like 35 million. And I'm like, oh, wow, he's running the CTO, right? And you can see this thing didn't do nothing for a while, right? It's been around for 6 months. This is the first animal coin ever deployed on Pump.Fund. The Pump.Fund founder himself, Alaz, was the one who actually created this, and it's kitten with a hat. So $4 million market cap compared to what dog with a hat is just insane. And this thing been around for 6 months, so it has a community. It's building a culture. They've literally been streaming on X for like 3-4 days. They're working to break the Guinness World Record of the longest stream ever on X. So there you go. And there's a few like big people and even celebrities now involved with this coin. So this is something I would put on your watch list. I got into this thing around pretty early when the pump first started, right? When the pump first started, probably like right around here on this green candle, like $1 million market cap. But again, wait for the correction. I think that this has potential. And if you don't, if you want to go do your research, just after the stream, go hop in the Twitter space. I think they're working like I said, they're working to break that Guinness World Record, so they'll be streaming all day, right? The community is epic over there. Also, shout out to the Lamb Wolf community, man. They've been showing love, bro. I appreciate that. All right, so we do have some things where institutions are really showing flexing that strength getting into cryptocurrency. I also want to take a look at the charts here. Before I take a look at the charts, let's get into some of the comments and see what you guys got going on today, right? 2 for Tuesday, double up day. Today is the opening day for the MBA, man. I'm still at it. Suave House, what am I still at? I don't stream that often, but yeah, I'm always going to be still at it. Andy 120x, maybe 200x. Could be. What's up, Nicholas? What's good, baby? Let's go. Now, I just started streaming. I'm not sure what you mean, Suave House, but I made a tweet, right? I made a tweet, and I told you guys, like, today, or should I say now, is not the time to be giving up, right? So a lot of people tend to give up when they see these red candles, but guys, this is simply a retest candle right here. Now I want to show you guys what I'm actually seeing on the chart. You can see on this weekly chart, price is going down, but the stock RSI put in a lower, you could call this a lower high, and going up for the higher high. So you got a bit of a bullish divergence here, right? Price going down, but RSI going up. So again, this is interesting, right? Because what we need here is we need a clean retest. We need new buyers to come in, right? Clean retest means leverage gets washed out, new buyers come in, and when we just continue to go higher, right? So this is perfectly healthy for cryptocurrency, but we need to hold this. We need to hold above this trend line and hold this retest. You can see the same thing kind of like playing out for multiple charts here. If I could pretty much pull up the total 3. I don't know why my thing always resets. I hate it here. Trading View, fix that, please. Same thing, retest, which we already had our retest of the trend line here. Price going down on the weekly, but RSI going up. A little bit of a divergence there again. And again, once the RSI clears 80 on both ends, guys, most likely you'll see a nice little move up to the upside. You can see here from the others chart, I mean, everything is looking up. So altcoins could be ready to explode here. I think the altcoin index was sitting around 29 at the time. And the BTC dominance here looks like it's trying to decrease and come down a little bit, right? Pretty much looks like it wants to top out here at 60%. It's been really getting a little stuck here at 60%. It's like the third or fourth time it's got stuck here at 60%, and then we kind of start to see it move down. A little bit of an inverted head shoulder on the stock RSI, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see that RSI here on the Bitcoin dominance also trade down. The only thing that's kind of worrying outside of the euros, right, coming out and say, hey, Bitcoin is unfair for anybody that didn't get in early. I mean, you can say that about any type of asset, right? You can say that about any type of asset. You can say that in the stock market. If you don't get in early, then you probably at some point will be exit liquidity. That's just how markets work. I really don't understand that article. But the DXY here, we need a DXY really to get stumped out here at this what's this, the 50-day moving average, and go for a bear cross. I would love to see a nice little bear cross here on the DXY, bringing down the DXY, right? We don't need the DXY to come back, come back raging, because then that's a sign of the inflation that could come back raging, right? The presidential election campaign, according to Polymarket, has Donald Trump up 63% to Kamala Harris 36%. Elon Musk himself has been shilling Polymarket, right? So again, we talked about how people are utilizing crypto tools without having anything to do with crypto. But it was kind of interesting how Elon Musk did go up there and say, "Oh, I'm not in crypto right now, but I'm just a big fan of Dogecoin." So it's going to be interesting to see how Dogecoin and the Dogecoin community actually responds to that. But I'll tell you this, man, if they get into office and he really does this whole Doge thing, not the whole DOGE token will fly, but Doge, Shiba Inu, the Elon token, a lot of those tokens that are centered around Elon's star power will do well. And some of them have built cultures over the years. So if you go down to some of these meme coins there, for the last 10 months, they're down 70-80%. And if we really, believe that we're going to get this massive bull run and bull cycle in phase 4, phase 5, whatever point of the phase that you think that we're in when new money comes in, now is the time to really lock in and kind of put your portfolio in a position to win here, right? Again, in just 3 weeks, the total U.S. debt skyrocketed by $473 billion. So the whole election situation could be really cause inflation to come back raging. So keep that in mind, guys. I always say keep that in mind, and also pay attention to the XHB, right? SPDR, home builders market. This is interesting, right? Because if unemployment ticks higher and this thing comes down, this could bring the price of risk on assets down, right? That's just two negative things that we don't need in the market. Tied together with the rise of inflation. So if the housing market here, right? If the housing market starts to get tore to pieces, as you can see, the stock RSI heading to the downside, and we get a tick up in unemployment and also inflation, that could really set things back for the market. So it's important to not be emotional, not to let stuff like this get to you. The market is showing a lot of strength, but it's just that the macro winds are playing against us at this time, right? And this is actually a healthy correction because the crypto has been going up for at least 2 weeks now. So I mean, profit taking is happening, things of that sort, and just that's just part of crypto, right? That's just part of crypto. See what you guys are talking about, because it's not much news. I wanted to just get that out there, but I also got something I want to actually ask you guys. So when building your portfolio, right, what do you prefer, right? Do you prefer holding just 5 to 10 projects, or do you prefer holding 20 to 50 altcoins, right? I'm not going to state my opinion just yet, but this was from Crypto Review, and I think this is something I wanted to cover with the community, right? It says if you're holding this many altcoins, it's a recipe for disaster. How on earth do you intend on keeping up to date with 20 to 50 projects? What I can understand, this is a good point. If you want to succeed, you need to be able to track every single one of your investments. Now, the flip side of this, right, is if you are talking about holding projects long term, if you're just flipping meme coins, you can have 20 to 25 projects, because you already know you're going to take profits and leave moon bags. What somebody said in the comments right here, which I totally agree, says this is not totally true. You can buy and take profits and leave the rest for the moon bag. Doing that, you found yourself holding more than 20 projects, especially now that we are in a bull run. In the bull run, your least coin can change your life, my personal take. So I kind of agree from both ends of the spectrum here. I think when we're talking about long-term bag, that's all you need is 5 to 10 that you truly believe in. But if you're into flipping projects, get into meme coins, because in today's time, it's easy to flip meme coins, right? You can go to Solana and Sui, and you don't have to pay a lot for gas fees like you have to do with Ethereum. Back in the day, no one really wanted to flip their meme coin on Ethereum because the gas fees were outrageous. Well, now you got these layer 2s and these that's built on top of ETH, and then you got these other layer 1s that's pushing these low gas fees, these fast speeds. So it makes it a little bit easier to have, maybe 5 to 10 meme coins on Solana, right? This has nothing to do with your personal bag, but maybe you got 5 to 10 meme coins on Solana that you rotate through, right? Taking profits and things of that sort short term, just depending on your situation. So I think this is all subjective, but I would love to know you guys' opinion. Another thing I like to utilize here when looking for what's trending in meme coins, or if a meme coin has the potential, is determining the ratio of social engagement to the market capitalization, right? So right here on this, we have the market cap versus the TikTok views. And you can see why a lot of these projects have done well, because they get a lot of views, right? I mean, the outlier here would be Locked In, right? I don't think Locked In wasn't something people were just making TikTok videos about, but something like Sigma or this scary fucking meme here, Skibidi. It creeps me. The Skibidi toilet shit creeps me out. The videos creep me out, right? Skibidi, Riz here. It's just a whole lot of them, guys. Manifest, right? Aura, right? You hear people say that. Crash out is another one, right? You got these terms that look, there goes the Skididdy Mickey Mouse looking at. Yeah, that's right there is eerie, right? But you know, this is a good way to go, you know, kind of like a gauge on the potential of the market cap compared to how many views that it gets on TikTok. So when looking for those culture coins, you know, go through TikTok and see what actually is trending. You can really see what's trending right now. I don't want to say what's trending, because then if I do, then I'm gonna go like try to buy the meme coins and stuff like that. And a lot of this shit is high risk, so I really don't like talking about it on the stream. But yeah, 70 greed, fear and greed index right here. So we do have a 70 fear and greed index, and I believe altcoin season indicator has altcoins at 29. So we're still in Bitcoin season. So you still got a chance. Don't wait for altcoin season to hit 60, 75 to start buying altcoins, unless you're getting into new launches, which are extremely freaking risky, guys. Risky. Self-preservation is far more important in crypto than just being blindlessly irresponsible. So just remember that, right? Always do your research, always check contracts. If you're into airdropping and pre-sales, always use new wallets. Like practice like taking care of your portfolio, right? Good portfolio health management. But let's get into some of these comments and see what y'all got cooking up, right? I've chatted and talked for enough. Let's see what we got here. I am a truck driver myself, been driving for 15 years. How many months do you think do we have to really stack up something? Well, you should have been stacking. You know, you come to my stream, I'm going to be all the way real with you, right? If you should have been locked in since here, right? Because, you know, real ones, we've been locked in since, we've been locked in we was locked in taking all of the beating coming down here, right? We was taking a goddamn beating, right? Oh, I don't got it on stream. But yeah, we was taking a goddamn beating coming down all the way here, right? FTX, Voyager, Elon Musk publicly selling his Bitcoin, and then we got to here, right? So realistically, right, just keeping it all the way realistically, this you know, January 2023, the beginning of January 2023, literally the bottom here, guys, was when you was really start to like stacking up and locking in. All right, so now that we got that kind of like answered, if you're new, this was your chance right here. This huge like handle, because we got a cup and now we got the handle, this huge handle. Every time it touched the bottom of the trend line, Bitcoin and crypto gave you an opportunity to load up your bags, right? But what messes people up is they always buy at the top of the trend, when you should be training your mind to buy at the bottom of the trend. Buy on red days, buy on flash crashes, buy on days of FUD. Those are the best days to buy cryptocurrency. You don't buy into green candles, right? So when you say how long do we got to stack up, or you're running out of time, right? This bull flag here, right, has been pretty much trending to the downside for 7 months. You just had 7 months to grab as much cryptocurrency as you can, right? So now you're kind of like playing Russian roulette, right? You're playing, and you know, I keep it real. You're playing Russian roulette up here with the, you know, with the hopium that we go touch our trend line that we've always touched every bull cycle. You can see at the top, we've always touched the top of the channel. Every bull run, right? Historically, we've always touched it. So what you're doing is you're playing Russian roulette with the hopium that we're gonna go touch somewhere between 100,000 and 120,000. All right, to answer your question. What's up, Valero? Valero 760. So Victor Hudson, hopefully I answered your question there, man. Andy 120x, maybe 200. You're talking about the Andy on ETH? I think that's already over $100 million market cap. So it's hard for me to say something like that. We'll do I'm laughing at me cheesing here. We'll do a 120x, right? I already know with like the morning streams, like we compete with a lot of people, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, that's pretty much how I look at it, right? I look at it like right now, it's your last chance at financial sovereignty, because you can't question that regulation is coming, right? You got the cash guy, he's coming out and say, oh, crypto is only used for illegal activities, right? You got the EEE coming out talking about, oh man, if you didn't get in crypto early and it goes up, it's gonna hurt the people that don't have crypto, because yeah, people decided to utilize their money to invest. So if the average person wanted to go buy materialistic things, you want to go buy, I gotta go get me a Corvette and a Camaro and all this shit, but I choose to invest my money into assets. I choose to invest my money into artificial intelligence, right? I choose to invest my money into a safe haven against inflation, instead of investing or spending my money on materialistic things, right? I told you guys, when they did the first federal rate hike, they started sending mail mail in the mail, like, Millie, we see that you got your car paid for. If you want to come up to this dealership, we'll put you in a brand new 2024. And it's like, what are you trying to put me back in debt for? Why are you trying to put me back in debt? I'm already out of debt, but why are you trying to put me back in debt? You see, that's what they do, right? Because debt only fills the elite's pockets, right? And I've told y'all my thinking behind this plenty of times, right? They're going to buy crypto. They're going to put crypto on the media. They're going to make it out to be this sweet thing, right? They're going to put materialistic things in front of people, like when Lambo, right? That's another term, when Lambo, right? So now people, last bull run, Lambo seen the most sales they ever seen because everybody spent their money on Lambos, right? A lot of people don't have those Lambos any longer, right? So what we're doing is we're focusing on ownership over here, guys. Ownership. You make it out of this bull run, go get some land, right? Go get some land, maybe franchise something, have a backup plan, have some type of ownership, have some type of consistent liquidity. Don't just depend on your crypto gains for the rest of your life unless you get like buku rich, which is happens to somebody. And I think it's going to happen to a lot of people in crypto because of this whole meme coin super cycle that we're having. So, and different strokes, different folks, whatever floats your, whatever floats your, whatever. Yeah, you get what I'm saying, right? All right. Where do you send gems? I share my gems on my Patreon. But there's a lot of people that shares gems in the Discord. I kind of like let those guys do their thing in the Discord. I focus on the Patreon members because it's an exclusive. It's something that people pay a premium for, and I rather put my exclusive content on Patreon. And whatever they talk about in the Discord, that's that they're talking about. But again, guys, always do your research. Andy on base, I know the one on Ethereum is too high. Andy on base could do well, right? If base onboards a lot of people. Andy on ETH not high because it's going higher. Good chance that it does go higher, right? I'm a big fan of Andy. So let's go here to, let me see if I can pull it up here. I like Andy's content. I've personally, out of the Matt Fury characters, I've chose Land Wolf. So that's my biggest holding out of all Matt Fury tokens. But let's see which one actually is the one, right? Andy, you said Andy on base. Okay, you said Andy on base. So let's check it out. Andy on base, $8 million market cap. Can it go to an $800 million market cap? Can it? It's a good. I mean, it just depends on how many people adopt base, and how much volume it gets. Right. The chart doesn't look bad. I would rather buy here than up here. Right. You got a huge cup. You got your handle. Testing support here, and most likely, if the market continues to go up, this could be ready to bounce. I think a lot of tokens on base are ready to bounce. It got wrecked. About 2 months ago, it was really easy to make money on base, right? You could really make money on base really quick. You could put 1,000, 100, 200 bucks in a meme coin at about $100,000 market cap. They go to 2, 3 million. You take your profits. You got your 10x. We was ripping 10x's like crazy on base about 2 months ago. But then everything started slowing up when the Solana scammers started coming over there and like rugging projects, and then everybody got like turned off with the whole base because there's not a lot enough volume, right? It doesn't have the volume or the liquidity like Solana. And I'll tell you this also. The cool thing about somebody put me on this, but the cool thing about Solana tokens, right? So if you was to go to like a top Solana token, let's go to something that I currently hold, like KWIF, right? So the cool thing about KWIF, right, is paired with Solana. So if Solana price goes to 1,000 per token, guess what happens? The liquidity rises because it's paired with Solana. So not only will Solana take a lot of these meme coins with it because it's the #1 casino in the space, but when people buy the tokens on top of the pair rising, that's like double trouble right there. That's like boom, right? All it's going to take is Solana to hit anywhere between 500 to 1,000. It's already going to double or triple the liquidity or 10x the liquidity. Now you got in with the whole everybody buying the token. So this is why nobody truly knows the potential for some of these Solana meme coins. And this is why I think a lot of people are banking their meme coins on Solana. I figured it out right now because Ethereum doesn't have that much potential compared to Solana, right? Ethereum can go to 10,000 and that's like what a 3x, right? Like a 3x or something like that. So the 3x liquidity on those Ethereum pairs, but Solana can still do like a 6 to 10x, which is crazy to think about, right? I know. So just keep that in mind when deciding where you want to put your chips on, which table you want to choose, right? This is just something that I seen. I heard some whales and traders talking about in the KWIF spaces. That's why it's really good to like hang around spaces you can learn from. I don't go in toxic ass spaces, right? I don't do the toxic spaces. I don't do that bullshit. I go into spaces that's technical. I want to hear from whales. I want to hear from developers. I want to hear from people that I can learn from, and I can, kind of like be a sponge and take in the information. I don't need to hear about no toxic shit. When I can do that, I can go, watch something on, you know what I mean? I'm not here for the bad girls and the bad boys of crypto, right? I'm here to learn, right? So always keep it, like my boy Classy would say, always keep it classy, right? But just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. We got 31 people in here. Check out the Andy and Wolf chart compared to they are running together. Oh, yeah, I do know that. I hold Wolf, guys, on ETH. I hold the Wolf on ETH, right? I'm with you, Millie. I created IP. I can put anything with AI that I own, can license it out. Hey, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. And you're already starting to see the rise of AI. AI is literally creating contracts, promoting the token. They have their own Twitter accounts. These AI agents are the future. I would, if you're into like in AI agents or utility plays, Targe Protocol, they have sponsored our channel. In fact, we got a Targe Protocol video coming somewhere between now and the 28th. So be looking for that video. I'll give you guys some more insight on AI agents. But AI agents are going to be big. They make your life easier. Hi, man. What is your opinion on Clap? This is Popcat's sister, which is Murad's top picks, a ton of potential. All right, let's check it out. Clap. Good beta play to Popcat, right? Good beta play. Good beta play to Popcat. Looks like it's on a run. How long has this been around? 1 month. So we probably only can go to like the 4-day. Oh, yeah, this is a little bit This is overbought. I don't think we got any information on 3-day. Yeah, I already knew that. It ain't been around long enough. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Would I buy now? Absolutely not. I don't buy charts up here. I wait for pullbacks. We stick to our thesis, guys. But yeah, I would wait for it to come back down and retest our golden box, which it's going to get close. You can see these 3-wick candles. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coming back down to retest the golden box like clockwork here. You got a wick candle at the top. Stock RSI, and MACD all look oversold. So it's a good chance that this is kind of like probably over with as far as now. And I would be looking for a retest. I would be not, maybe it doesn't come all the way to the 618, but I would be looking for some type of retest to our golden pocket here. Looking to put in a lower high. If it puts in a lower high, then that's good, right? You want something like, you know, a lower high, right? You don't want it to put in a lower low, right? I mean, excuse me. You want it to put in a higher low. What the fuck am I talking about? You want to put in a higher low and not a lower low, but you get the gist. Not bad, not bad. Let's check out some of the content here. Let's see what they got cooking up, right? Clap cat. Not bad content. You know, it's okay. Content is okay. The Meta Popcat's sister. I don't know the story behind this, so I would have to know like the backstory. But not bad. I'm not gonna say it's a bad token. I would say it's overbought on the daily. So it's not something that I would like hop in while it's overbought. I always wait for things to reset once they get up to these levels like 90 and stuff like that. You know, not bad. Marketing looks pretty good. Not bad. 35 people in here. Trucker, what up, man? Welcome to GOAT Trucker Crypto. Market seems to be all overbought. Nah. Maybe on the daily, but not on the weekly, right? Actually, you want the stock RSI here on the weekly for BTC to cross above 80 because, well, above 75. That's the number you're looking for because once it crosses 75, it turns 80 into support. And you can see here, every time we turn into support, there was nice moves here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's like loading up the base and going to the next move. So here, if it does cross 80, it's loading up the base and it should put itself in the position here to go for the next move. And I'm seeing this all across the board. So no, the market is not overbought. You got to look at weekly time frames, guys. Stop looking at the daily time frames. Daily time frames will stress you the fuck out. Look at the weekly time frames. Total market cap, BTC. Let's go to the total market cap. Look at weekly time frames, guys. If your cryptocurrency has been around for 10 months or more, and you hold this project and you looking at daily time frames, you ain't never gonna make it out the trenches. You're gonna continue to buy and sell and be stressed out. Guys, stop looking at these daily time frames, and on anything that's over 10 months, that's been around for 10 months, you can literally go look at the weekly time frame, and that's going to give you the most information. Longer time frames give you the most information. This is the total market cap. It's not overbought on the weekly. It's not even near it. It's still got a lot of room to run. This thing is putting in a lower high. Guys, this is bullish. You got a bullish divergence here on the stock RSI. Price going down, RSI going up. This is a fake out, bro. This is a clear fake out. Clear fake out. Clear as day. Like you can't even miss it. Can't miss it. What'd you think of FWOG? No. What's up, Roaring Kitty community in the house? What's up, Roaring Kitty? Which one is it? Is it the Roar? Y'all been going crazy. If it's Roar, y'all been going crazy. Kashay, my guy. What's up, man? Good to see my guy Kashay up in here. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Wise Minds. Hey, man, please check out Roaring Kitty on ETH. Check out the charts. The data is in there. Probably an easy 100x. Sensei has potential, but not a lot of motion. I know we're going to break all-time high. Can you look at AI coin called Bad Idea? All right, so let me catch up with some of these projects, and then I'll get to the ones that I read at the bottom. The thing about projects is they need money where the organic money stops because everyone has bought what they bought. A flywheel is needed. That's what Andy Wolf has with their MM. Well, it just depends on how you view MM, right? Right now, MM is the new meta is not having MM, right? And I know that sounds crazy, but if we swing over here to S Doge, right? And this guy who created this project also is the founder, I believe, of Trust Swap or one of them, Trust Swap or Trust Wallet. I'm not sure which wallet it is, but you're starting to see because of the crackdown that MM have, that now people are starting to promote their projects with the no market making, everything all organic. So it just depends, right? At this point, it depends on the perspective of market making. At this point, market making kind of has a dark cloud over it. So it needs more clarity in regulation. People don't know what to do with their volume bots at this point. So it's getting a little scary. At that point, you're starting to see these meme coins now promote not having MM, right? And again, this guy who created Doge on Solana is a Bitcoin maxi, founded a 500 million market cap company. I believe it's Trust Swap or Trust Wallet. And yeah. So now people are creating tokens and promoting not having MM. So you got, if you do have a token, you got to be a little bit cautious with that, right? Hoppy, I don't know anything about Hoppy. Did you get a piece of Roar? No, I did not buy Roar, guys. I did not buy Roar. I think I told you guys why I did not buy Roar, and it wasn't because it's not a good project, right? I didn't get Roar because it just was pumping, and I don't buy tops. Oh, now it doesn't want. I hate when Dex Screener does this. Like, you use it a couple times, and now it doesn't want to do it. So guys, bear with me. Cute the meme coin, right? Cat GF, right? So you seeing Elon Musk be really like shilling stuff, and then out of nowhere they create a meme coin. So let me go here to Dex Tools and put in Roar for you guys. And I be on crypto like at least 7 to 10 hours out of the day. So when you'll see on my tabs, I'll be looking at all type of stuff. So just bear with me, guys, if it gets a little crazy. Yeah, Roar has been going crazy. Like, the community is based. The community is based, man, and yeah, I just couldn't find me a good position. I stick to my guns when it comes to my strategies. So it's no knock to what this token is doing. No knock at all, right? It just was just hard for me to find that position there. All right, let's check out Roar for the Roar community. Salute to the Roar community. Yeah, these guys are really doing their thing. It's upset, 40 something percent on the 7 day. Yeah, these guys are really doing this thing. This is a very organic community. And yeah, you can see, guys, like, this thing has exploded. It exploded right here. I think this is the last time we actually kind of like looked at it. And I didn't get here. It then retested. And I should have bought right here. Right? This was probably my best entry point. But again, I was being greedy. I wanted to get it at my 786. It didn't wick down to the 786. And then when I looked at it again, it kind of exploded here. So, yeah, Roar is taking off, right? It's taking off. It's a good narrative, though. The whole GME, crypto versus stocks, putting everything back in the hands of the people. I'm all for it. And the community is a beast, right? Community is always showing up to every post. It scares me. The whole community thing scares me, guys. So I think I talked to a few of the Wolf guys, and you know what I mean. I've been with the whole. So if y'all see me like kind of shy with the whole community thing, it's because I've already like went through that with other tokens, and I just don't like the toxicity that it causes, right? So I support, you know what I mean. But am I gonna be like that, community member that's just nah, you know what I'm saying? That's because I am a crypto enthusiast, right? And I talk about everything, and I don't want any project to feel slighted, like I'm leaving them hanging or anything of that sort. So please respect that, community members. Please respect that. FWOG. What the fuck? ETH fees is $63 right now. See, got to get them plays in. A lot of people in my Discord have been talking about Frogtoad. This is one of them ones where no one was talking about it, and it just popped up out of nowhere and just started going crazy. But it's $250 million market cap. Could it go higher? Yes, it probably will go to 1 billion. Will I buy this? Absolutely not. It's just way better opportunities for me. If I was to buy this, I'm putting in I'm putting a whole clip, 5-10 grand. Nothing less than 5 to 10 grand if I'm buying something at a $248 million market cap. It's important to note, if you're new to crypto and you have guys shilling these projects with these high market caps and you think like, I can be a meme coin millionaire with $100, that's not going to fucking happen. Okay. And whenever you see something 250 million, some shit like that, you got to put a real clip in there. You can't be putting no deuce. You got to put a real clip in that joint. And most YouTubers ain't going to tell you this, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that. Jaleisha, what it do? D4, wallet 2 and 3. I like your kind people shirt. Thanks for the Roy Kitty review. Hey, appreciate it. Elon Lamar talks of Walker 2 and 3 being moved to liquidity pool. Can you confirm? I do not know what's going on with Elon, D4. I do not know what's going on with Elon. Y'all better start sleeping on Bird Dog on Solana. I'm telling you, that's the next one. Let's check out my boys over there in Bird Dog. There are a few guys in our Patreon that are following what's going on with the Elon token. So you guys can go check that out and maybe ask the Discord. We have a specific part in our Discord that's solely for Elon. Because you guys know I did cover Elon for a while. I'm not going to get into the details, but I don't know. I haven't been locked in. That's just what I'm just leave it at that. I haven't been locked in. $2 million market cap here. Let's look at my boys from Bird Dog. They sponsored us a while back, maybe a couple months ago. Chart still looks strong. Strong. The weekly though, weekly. The only thing that kind of like is and this is me looking at it from a technical standpoint, right? Is a potential head and shoulders pattern here, which is a bearish pattern. This is a bearish pattern. So, right now it's gonna come down to the community and the conviction. Can the community break out of this head and shoulders pattern so that it's not confirmed? The community needs to break out of this, right? Because if it doesn't, then you're looking at, let's see here, you're looking at a retest of maybe the 786, which is about 154 or somewhere down here in this structure. So got to break out of this potential head and shoulders pattern. Really need the community to come through and stand up for Bird Dog on Sol. But they're constantly working. The artwork is tier 1. Right, they got some really good artwork, and the community is base. The team behind it is a CTO, and these guys come put their shirts and ties on every day and come to work. So you gotta respect somebody who has a work ethic, and I respect it. We got 37 people in here. If you in this joint and you're not hitting the like and subscribe button, I don't know what you're doing. Full stand channel, that's right. Clip that joint. Dano! What up, Dano? Priestess Alpha, what is good? Roar Army in the building. That is a M pattern. Roar. Is it M pattern? Go do your research on if M patterns are bullish or bearish. How do you join the Discord? How much is it? Nah, Discord is free, man. The Discord is free, bro. But yeah. But we only preach positivity in the Discord, man. Don't please. I'm driving, kid. Check this RSI. Yeah, I'm looking at the weekly, man. I checked it for you. Alright, man. Sinku, what's up? Hey, Millie, thoughts on DEAI? So hold on, I gotta check out the AI project that the other guy asked me to do. Bad idea first. Let's go to bad idea first, and then we'll check DEAI. So let's go to, where were we? Bad idea. I don't know, man. I'm not really bullish on the Shibarium ecosystem. I don't know what they got going on over there. You know, they gotta pull off like a base or a sui or something, right? They gotta pull off something. So this is an AI token. Right, it could pick up some liquidity share from the AI narrative, but it's hard out here, man. It's hard. It's so many tokens, guys, that it's hard, right? So you do got a pretty much accumulation. We're at accumulation. As far as the chart, we are at accumulation. This is all accumulation. Now, I've seen chart. I want to make it clear, right? I've seen charts do accumulation and then put in that handle and start going up, right? I've seen that a lot lately, right? Projects, I mean, we was just talking about let's go here back to search. We was just talking about K-Whiff doing that, right? All right. Sometimes my thing be bugging out. So you can see here, I'll give you guys an example in the weekly. Comparing this to Bad Idea, right? So you can see here, right? This is an example of a project that didn't do nothing for 10 months and then absolutely exploded, right? So all it takes is for one like popular Chad in the space to come in and really, really send the token. Will this send? I have no clue. I don't even know what this project does. I've heard about it. I know it has something to do with like Shibarium. But there's just so much AI plays, guys. And if you're going to play on a chain that really hasn't woken up yet, you're going to have patience. You're going to have patience. If you don't got patience, you know, it is what it is. But I don't have anything really. Don't even have any comments on this. I do see the stock. Let me see. I do see the MACD flipping green here. So this all depends on how bad the community wants it. Are they going to work for their bags? Are they going to get heard, right? If the community works for the bags and they get heard and we see Shibarium really become this hit, this most likely will do well. If not, it is what it is. The next one was... How many does? Why is mine? Why are y'all retracting statements? Thoughts on Baby Doge? Any thoughts on Frug? Frug? NMR. All right, so let me catch up. Let me catch up. Y'all is dropping them plays, dog. All right. Somebody said another AI play. Where is it? We got Roar. We checked out Roar, right? Somebody said an AI play. Elon made me hit the notification bell. You should have that reaction video. Oh, what Elon was talking about Dogecoin? Any thoughts on Altcoin dogs? Somebody must have retracted the statement. Dogs on Ton? My deck screener isn't working right now, guys. So let's see if it pulls. Let me see if this pulls up on Dex Tools. Dogs on. You said Ton? This got to be the one right here. I have no clue what this is. It's 400 million. I don't know what this is, man. I don't even want to speak on something that's new, $400 million market cap. Not really hearing people talk about it. Sorry, man. I have no clue what that is. Hello, brother. Any thoughts on Frug? Big potential. What's up with the name, though? The name scares me. $600,000 market cap. What is this, man? This looks like it's about to come back down, bro. It don't look like it's gonna go up any higher as of right now. So it was created by B Soul. All right, so it looked like it was created by Chad. I'll copy him. He draws frogs. Okay, he draws frogs. Oh yeah, this is some nice artwork right here. Now this is cold. This is cold. All right, let me fix my my Twitter, because again Twitter has kicked me out of Twitter every time, bro. God dang, bro. Hold on, guys. I'm kicked out of Twitter. I gotta sign in. Log in. Why does Twitter do this? I have no clue why Twitter. Why Twitter got? I love everything about Twitter except for that I'm always getting kicked out. I always got to do like these stupid tests. Like, come on, Elon, you gotta fix this, bro. You gotta fix this, bro. God damn, it's freaking annoying, bro. All right, we was on F Rug. I'll follow them. I'll give y'all guys a follow. The artwork is based though, for sure. And this guy is drawing this hand drawn cold piece of work, right? As far as charting goes, it's just, man, this thing has been on a highway to heaven, right? At some point, it has to correct. Looks good though. Looks good. I take back what I said. This actually on a 4-hour looks really strong. It's a newer token, so we have to look at the 4-hour, guys. 4-hour looks strong. 4-hour looks strong. We got another MACD cross, stock RSI headed to the upside. Uptrend. Do we got enough information on the daily? This is an uptrend, definitely a strong uptrend. I gotta check out the artist, man. What's the backstory behind this? Doesn't look bad. It's a little bit, you know what I mean? It's looked like it's a little bit more closer to a correction, but you just never know with a meme coin sitting at a $655,000 market cap. This thing could probably keep going, right? It could probably keep going. Because it's such a low market cap and low liquidity, so it definitely could probably keep going. I wouldn't even doubt it. Artwork is definitely dope. Community meme art. Let's check out this guy. He creates the art. And he's an artist, and this is his artwork. I like artists tokenizing their artwork. I like it. And the frog, look, let me make this clear. The frog meta is here. I see it in my Discord. And he seems pretty based, bro. He seems based. The artist itself seems based. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I like everything about it. I like everything about it, just the name, right? I just don't like that it has that in the name. But besides the name, I like everything else about it. And it's a low market cap, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it. We got 37 people in here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Merely, please look at dogs. I looked at dogs. Are you talking about the one on Ton? I don't have no comment on that, man. I don't even know what that is. Twitter sometimes asks a lot of authentications. It's only it is fixed using this. It's annoying. Sensei is AI digital replicas meant for dementia family members. That's an interesting project. Let's check it out. You said Sensei? Now, before we actually get into like utility, right? I gotta ask y'all this question, right? And this was a post here by my guy. What's his name? My guy. Where the post at, dog? Jeff Clapcat. All right. Hold on. All right. So speaking of tech, right? When we talk about tech, all right, when we go get into Sensei, we're gonna talk about tech though. Do y'all agree here though with the crypto Archie? One of my guys in the crypto space, he say the crypto tech fugazi is dead. Sooner you realize it, the better, right? So are utility tokens done? Guys, are utility tokens to the point where it's like, I'd rather buy meme coins? Are you personally there yet? Let me know, because I'd like to ask this sentiment to you guys. I want to know you guys' personal opinion on this statement here, right? Right now, today, are you more driven to buy meme coins over utility altcoins? If you are in the chat, let me know your opinion on that. And while you guys are giving your opinion, I will check out Sensei. $5 million market cap. For a project that has a $5 million market cap, we will have to see more volume here, right, guys? You're going to need more volume for a project like this. The utility is nice and all, but it's just not, it doesn't have enough volume. Here on the weekly, we don't have enough information. 3-day looks like it wants to come back and retest some of the support and structure that we see here. So I would say that there is structure here. All right, based on what I'm seeing from the indicators, it wants to come back down and maybe retest 1335, right? Where would that put us at? Yep, got rejected clean off the 786. So this is a example of what I was talking about. When you get that rejection off the 786, it's just not ready to be bullish just yet. Maybe come back and retest some of the structure that you're seeing down here, and then put in a higher low. So you're hoping that the trend is started, right? You want that trend to start there and start a new trend, right? And kind of put in a higher low here at the trend line and kind of trickle back up, right? But it's going to need some volume, right? It's going to need some volume. It's going to need some volume, right? And 10K, just need to get more volume. Not sure if it's listed on other chains. I haven't done enough research. I don't really know what this is. I know somebody said it's like a medical token. We still need that to appreciate and mature. A lot of those utilities, I think my top decentralized science holding is AXGT, Axon DAO. That's something I have extreme conviction on. So Sensei creates lifelike AI digital replicas offering everyone limited potential in the digital age. Okay, so he's doxed. This guy's doxed. I like to see a founder that believes in what he's doing. Love to see a founder that believes in what he's doing. So that just even gives me more conviction here to at least keep this on my watch list and see if everything plays out here. And though I believe dogs appreciate you. Yeah, I really can't give opinion on it because I only have one token on Tonchain, and that's Toncat. And I really don't know why that project has such a high market cap out the door. Maybe you could tell me the backstory. I have no clue. No problem, D4. Let me hear you. Memes. I'll buy BTC and alts like ETH with profits from memes this cycle. And I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Jaleisha says I'm all for memes. Kashay, what do you think about what Archie said, brother? Utilities are not done, but they have to have major use case. Utility is more of a secure bag for long term, but it doesn't necessarily give you the best gains. Depends risk tolerance. Great explanation, Wise Minds. I see why you call yourself Wise Mind. He calls it Tweeter. You put 800 in dogs? Well, you're going to have to ride that out to 1 billion or higher, man, because it's already got a high market cap and it's a new token. So I would be a little bit, I would keep my eye on that. DEAI. That was it. DEAI. DEAI. The reason why I would decide to go live today, because it really was like not enough news for me to just try to like put a video together. I hate trying to force videos. So it's been so boring like the last couple weeks. The market has been so boring. This looks good though. $50 million market cap. 555 FDV. Chart looks strong. The FDV is concerning unless it's a burnt the supply like we've done with our community token. If not, I would definitely do research on the vesting schedule and make sure you have an understanding on when the tokens get unlocked. That way you can see if it's going to front run the peak of the bull cycle. You can make your profits and get out, right? Just because it has a high FDV, it's not the end and be all, but you want to make sure that that vesting schedule aligns with your exit strategy, right? But this thing is overbought on the 3-day, and it looks like, yeah, looks like it's a bit over, yeah, definitely over, a little bit overbought here on the weekly. So let's see where this might come back down to, right? So you can clearly see that it's going to put in a higher low, which has confirmed the new trend. So the trend is up. I would look for it to come back down and retest the 618, which is about 46 cents. All the technicals are saying that it's overbought. We'd look for the retest to somewhere between the 618 and 786. Forgot what this project does. I know you guys asked me about this project like almost every live stream. Somebody asked me about DEAI, empowering the next generation decentralized AI builders. All right, so it looks like it has something to do with like AI agents. Good little partnership here with their protocols. Legit. This was 2 hours ago. All right, let's give them. Okay, so yeah, this thing could come back to retest the 618 and then explode off the hype of the new partnership. Congratulations to DEAI holders that bought the bottom and are now enjoying those gains. And that bottom was around 15, 16 cents. So congrats to anybody that got into this thing at the floor and is enjoying those gains. Probably gonna go to the gym after this live stream. I don't see the link. Not too much dilution over the next year for DEAI. All right, good. And we got some of my good friends here from the Elite Council of J5. Salute to my boy Strength to Progression. He's huge on AI coin. So if Strength came in here just to make that comment, he didn't want me to fudge his Strength. I was not trying to fudge your bags, buddy. I just was delivering information. And a caution to anybody that doesn't know how FDV works. But I'm happy that you're on top of the vesting schedule to make anybody who is interested in that token feel at home, right? Just depends on your risk appetite. Okay, Cachet. I'm going to hold it, Millie Buddy, because it's new just after it dipped. Got a bright. What does it do? What does it do? Good morning, Roar. CTL Army are here. Salute to the Roar community. Hopping in. Hopping in. AI plus games plus meme coins. Salute to my boy Luis, OG of the channel. OG Luis says he's into AI games and meme coins. D4, why don't you just join the Elon, or you're probably already in there. Why don't you just join the Elon Discord and ask that question? I would think it would make more sense than to ask our Discord, right? Which is the J5 Discord. Why would you just not go to the Elon Discord where they have a whole bunch of people in Elon token that you can ask that question to? I just think that makes more sense, D4. You have to do the gym before live, my guy. No, I don't. No, I don't. I gotta go to the gym afterwards, right? So the reason is because I like to enjoy my mushroom coffee. So I don't have the mushroom coffee with me. I probably will start bringing it on stream when I live stream because I'm working out I don't want to call it a sponsorship or anything like that, but I'm working on having my what's it called, my referral code for this. So guys, if you want to feel good in the morning, right, I'm gonna drop that referral code once I get everything figured out. I gotta sign up for the project and stuff like that, and then I'll drop the referral code, and you know I'll have my little mushroom coffee sitting somewhere in the background, and that just would be like a whole new sponsored thing, guys. But the stuff works, right? I normally do go to the gym in the morning after I do my video, but I'm streaming, right? So I'm okay with going to the gym at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, which is cool because I haven't ate anything. I don't eat breakfast. If I do eat something in the morning, it'll just be a banana. I'm on that Derrick Henry diet, right? So I might just eat a banana and drink my mushroom coffee here that has lion's mane and all that good stuff, sea moss and all that stuff in it. And then we go to the gym and we go get it and we put in that work, baby. But I went in the gym yesterday early, so my body's still kind of sore. I might not do too much like weights type stuff. I might just do like running and cardio. Yeah, sometimes I like to go in the evening too, Luis. I hold 35 billion Elon. 35 billion Elon with you, Dogecoin Mars Millie. I hold 35 billion Elon with you. Well, you hold Elon with my girl because I gave my Elon tokens to her. I'm kind of better to go at night in the gym because you rest your muscles after when you go to sleep. Well, I have weights at home, so if I do want to do a 2 a day, I just do my what's it called? She was just telling me about it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. When you do like push up, I got a whole bunch of shit like push ups and like resistant ropes and jump ropes and like I got little weights and stuff like that, but I forgot what it's called. But I do that at night if I'm feeling it, right? If I feel like I ate too heavy, then I'll work out. I'll do a 2 a day. I'll do a 2 a day just to make sure I keep that calorie intake down because it's really all about the calorie intake. But of course, I've eliminated sugars as much as I can, and I've also eliminated carbs like bread and stuff like that as much as I can. So, you know what I mean? You probably, if you go watch my videos, like I probably done lost like what? I was 216. Right now I'm 193. So the last 45 days I've been getting it in. I was 216. Now I'm 193. And it's like turning into like muscle. So I've been on this 45-day journey. And it's like probably the best I've felt in my life since 2020 and CVID when I first started working out. So I worked out for like a full year. And then I was in like a toxic relationship. And I kind of got threw off and I'm getting a little personal here, but I was in a toxic relationship like in the little 2020, and the shorty would just argue about me going to the gym. So it kind of like threw me off. And then just last year, I was like in a very, very like bad space, not monetarily, but just because I lost a couple family members, right? And I just started eating, guys. I'm not hurting as far as like financially. So I was just eating. I was eating soul food. I was eating good, eating every day, just eating dumb shit and eating cakes and honey buns. And I got big, bro. I got like 216 and I was like, what? But now I'm 193 and like I'm into probiotics and stuff like that. Like health is wealth. Feel so much better. What's up, future crypto? Yeah, thank you, strength and presents. Calisthenics, thank you. That's the word I'm looking for. No white bread and sweets. Yeah, no white bread and sweets. Good morning from the Roar community. Good morning, Roar community. I didn't transfer to Elon, bro. I just gave it to her. I have a huge community. I just gave it to her. If you're in the Discord, then you pretty much know the story behind it. Again, I'm not here. I don't push toxicity on my YouTube channel or my live streams, guys. Please respect my wishes. Please respect my wishes, right? Please respect my wishes, right? She loves the token. She loves the meme. She likes the name Elon, and she thinks the dog is cute. That's it. Respect my wishes. What's up, John 316? What's up, future crypto millionaires? I'm not holding Sato AMC, but as saw, they have a pretty good team behind it. Might go 10 to 100x in the next period because of elections. Yeah, man. They have a lot of things going on. I think my top my top PolitiFi holding token is Tucker. This is my number one PolitiFi token. This is the one that I hold the most liquidity in as far as PolitiFi goes. This is my number one PolitiFi token here, which is Tucker. It has as far as like content creation, I would say it's top 5 in the space. And you know why I like this token is that everybody who shares, most people who share the content, they don't even know that there's a token behind it, right? They generally just like the content. And also, just to double back on what I was just talking about, nothing against the Elon team, community, and what they got building. They will do well. Elon Musk is going to be bullish for crypto if Trump becomes president. And those Dogecoin, Elon, and Shiba Inu will go to the moon, right? It's what they would say programmed or coded, right? So always want to put out good vibes, nothing but good vibes. But please, I'm asking, just respect my wishes. Tucker, yeah.
Not going to make it, bro. Or will you? Maybe. You waited 4 years for this moment. You endured the ridicule of your friends and family for believing in your bullshit coin. You got dumped by your girlfriend.
Yo, I like their content, bro. I really, really like their content, bro. It's top notch. It's top notch. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this. This is you can see Politify token. It's a content creation, like, and think about it, right? This is what I've noticed about meme coins, guys. This is what I've noticed about meme coins, right? I'm seeing every meme coin now say, okay, screw white paper, screw use case, screw utility. We can become something that people consume, which is content. So when people come to Twitter, they want to watch some funny content. And guess what? I can watch this content and enjoy it and not even be, you know, as a casual person, not even have a thought about the cryptocurrency behind it. But once you start doing the research, it's like, oh, this thing has a token behind it. Let's check out the token. It is what it is. The content is like next level. Michael Saylor shared the content. Raoul Paul shared the content. These guys, in my opinion, is the biggest media, the best media cryptocurrency in the space. The best. I don't even think it's anything close when we talk about media content. Not artwork. I'm talking about media content. I want to make that clear. The question you answered, what do you mean spam and saying that unless you can't read and be talking with me with losers? Respect losers don't come in, they talk to you, so they not real, no problem, Billy. You're not sure how to. Well, if you hold in the Elon token, you should be in the Discord. They have their own personal Discord, guys. They have their own personal Discord. Health is wealth. Without your health, you won't be able to spend money for too long. Ain't that something? Phone stand. Do you like Aether, ATH for AI play? Yeah. I made an Aether video a while back, and people thought it was sponsored content because, you know, I did my whole, like, you know what I mean? I put my effort into it. Like, if I really wanted to, like, get into, like, editing videos and stuff like that, I know how to do it. So you'll see some videos where I actually put, like, an effort to edit it. But, yeah. 196. Yeah, okay, so this could be huge, right? And I'm gonna tell you why. Right now, I personally would pay attention to this, right? Matter of fact, just let it dump out, because this is real. This is a really good project with some pretty big names behind it, right? So I wouldn't even could be concerned about this. In fact, if I was on the sidelines, I would be cheering along for this thing to dump down and come back to retest. I would support it about 5 cents, because what they're doing, right, is something that could transfer from cycles to come, and that is providing GPU and CPU server power. So anything that's built on AI, let's say these prompt to AI engines, this AI that's creating stuff and creating Twitter, all this stuff is being hosted, and they are providing the GPU power, right, in a decentralized fashion. So if you ever use AWS and those clouds and stuff like that, they can get extremely expensive if you're building an AI platform. But now you got these decentralized projects that are sourcing GPU power from everybody and compensating people for sharing their GPU power, making this one of the top DPIN projects. Now, if I didn't hold GPU, which is my GPU play because they are subnet to Tau, I would hold this. The reason I chose GPU Node AI is because it has a smaller market cap and it's going to give me more potential. So I look at it like potential. But this is a very good project. with some big people behind it, I don't know. This is setting up to be a good trade if it comes back down to retest the lows. It definitely is. It definitely is. At some point, this will explode. This could be a fake out to inverted head and shoulders on the 3-day though, because look at this, right? You got your shoulder right here. You got the shoulder right here. You got the head, and this could be a major fake out, higher low to the upside. So and this is why I always say TNA works to a certain extent, because like, who was to know, right, that I would just put my golden pocket here and it's bouncing clearly here off the 786 to the upside. So you got a clear trend change here, and it's just like a cool little utility and use case. The only thing that I would pay attention to is, of course, the vesting schedule, because they're the FDV here is 2.1 billion. But this is they mean business with this project. They mean business with this project, for sure. Oh yeah, I know your rules. No, there is no rule. I'm not saying, bro. Kindly, in crypto, you'll learn, especially when you come to my live stream. We don't do emotion over here, so just kindly remove the emotion, right? Take a deep breath. Woo-saw. It's okay. It's okay. All right? It's okay, bro. Bro the cat. Okay, so another meme coin I would pay attention to, guys, is this right here. I was hanging around the K-Whiffs space, and I came whiff of this, and I'm mad that I didn't get it this early because I've been seeing this. But the lady who created this meme created this token, right? And allegedly, there's some big listings coming. So this is woman yelling at cat. Don't buy this now. Wait for pullback. But allegedly, based on what they were saying in the space, they've been seeing some wallets of this exchange. I'm not going to say what exchange. And they've been loading up on this token, right? And the lady who created this is a celebrity. This is her token. She's sponsoring this token. Taylor Armstrong, right? And she's all for it. Like, she's pushing it. She's the dev of the token. She made this meme, went viral years ago for her yelling at the cat. And this thing has exploded, and now some big chads are helping her grow her token, right? And it's sitting at a 40 million market cap. So look for this to hit the heights of what we seen from Mother or higher. Just want to put that on y'all watch list. It's a meme and a cat token infused. It is you the YouTube. Oh no, I'm not a YouTuber, bro. I'm just a guy talking. I'm just a guy in a shirt. Kind people are my kind of people. I come in peace. Grab a couple of cats and dogs and frogs. Respect my authority as you. That's I'm due to you. Respect your new viewers. You guys show your people you've been talking about me with you run this. Oh man, Full Stan, you're an emotional guy. I don't know, or I don't know, maybe guy or female, whatever. Like I said, it's all love, bro, and peace and prosperity to you. JDM, what's up, baby? Good morning to the Roar community. Salute to the Roar. Guys, go check out the Roar community. Go hang around the TG. Hang around the Twitter. Hang around the X. Those guys are based. They got a lot going on. And, yeah. Well. All right, anything else set up? Check it out, guys. Anything else? Uh, Mr. Stan, I never mentioned anything about authority. I just read that says respect my. I didn't mention anything. Come on, bro. All I said was respect my wishes. And it's like it turned into a whole bunch of like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Can we not do that this morning? Please, 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 please. Oh my God. Why is mine? Why? Why is mine? All right, Spectral. Thank you, Beebs. Just send me something. I was waiting for somebody to send me something. Spectral? Let's check out Spectral. I think I heard this. I think Cal. Was it Cal? Did you talk about Spectral AI? Or just Spectral? Hold on, Spectral. I don't know. I'm gonna make sure I'm going on the right token. This one right here on base, Spectral. I think you're talking about this one. Spectral. Oh, it's definitely starting a new trend here. You got a trend line here on the RSI. Positive trend to the upside. This actually looks pretty good. What's going on? What is this? What is Spectral token? I don't think I ever heard of this one. What is it? $16 million market cap, fully diluted. Bringing in 295,000 in holders. Not bad, not bad. Spectral, all you can get. Not bad. Am I looking at the right one? Right there for aggression. Did they make the token yet? Did they tokenize the wheelchair emoji yet? Strength. Pump.fun is calling you. Trucker Crypto says Hana. No, it's all love. It's all love, phone. We good, man. We good. Hana token. All right. What is this? This looks like the Shiba Inu dog. $4 million market cap, 5,000 holders. All right, not bad, not bad. I like my tokens to the closer to the floor than the top. Would have to do a little bit more researching on, what's going on as far as the Telegram. Don't know too much about this. All right. You do got resistance here sitting at the 786, which is 58.13. Stock RSI is trending to the upside. Let's follow. Hana is a community-driven project dedicated to making a positive impact through charity. So this is a charity token. 4 million. I got a dog. I got my dog token. I don't think this is bad. I like the dog tokens that give back to like dog charities and stuff like that. I think it's be pretty good. The one I hold is a Guri here. I've been waiting for this thing for forever, bro. This is supposed to be like Nero's best friend, right? I have this token. Full transparency. I do hold a Guri. And I don't know why. I still believe in it. I still believe in it. I believe that this thing can do well. It can do something close to Nero or Doge. It falls under the whole Nero Doge meta. It's a CTO. These guys do some wonderful things across country, right? So they actually give away and donate to different charities, and they've done it like they have videos of them doing it, right? So yeah, Aguri, Nero. So I think this is Nero's best friend. All right. But this is the one that I hold. I heard of Hana too, but I hold this one. It's a $1 million market cap. They have the same like contract to begin and start out. Like it's definitely a narrative. The contract twins. I like what they're doing. So I got a little small bag of this. Salute to my boy Mega J. Yo, we got the J5 counselor here, guys. Hopefully y'all guys been liking the new content, man. We've been really standing up and standing tall. If you want to like take a look at a project, guys, that's like at floor level and just ready to just pop up, like check it out. No, I don't have any Foxy. It's on my watch list. I'm paying attention to the salute to my boy Mega J, by the way. I'm paying attention to the chain, right? What's that? Linnea. I'm paying attention to Linnea. I'm waiting for the volume and everything to kind of like pick up, and when it picks up, you know, I'll look at a few meme coins and you know, see if they got any other narratives. Millie, you always bring us the best gems. I highly appreciate you because I'm on my damn computer so much that I keep running into these plays, bro. I keep running into these plays. This is an example of what I was talking about, right? So I was in Elon dropped some post about the cat girlfriend, right? And then cat GF Optimus, right? And some said, oh, go check out cat GF. And soon as I checked it out, right, on the 4-hour, came across it right around here. And I said, you know what? Cat GF is because Token Terminal fucked around and posted cat GF Optimus. And I knew that it was going to be a sender, right? So guys, there's always a opportunity. If you're on Twitter, there's always opportunity. Now, don't go buy this now because again, you have to been locked in to see that tweet from Token Terminal. And guys, this stuff is crazy. How do you think I came across K-Whiff? I was just hanging around Twitter and I was like, K-Whiff, what is this? This could be, you know, and then I started seeing the people that was running in CTO and I'm like, $4 million market cap. Oh, this is severely undervalued. Then I went to the space yesterday and seen the celebrities in the space talking about K-Whiff. I'm like, yeah, this is a good chance that K-Whiff may go to 100 million or higher, right? I just got high conviction on this. I got high conviction. You can see it came from the ashes. But you gotta be locked on Twitter. And that's why I posted this post right here. Because if you locked in on Twitter, you're going to run into something that's trending with these Zoomers. They don't even call them fucking Z-Gen. This is Zoomer culture coins, right? You got locked in, manifest, crash out, risk, coded, what's that, Hoogie, what's the name? So many. I can't name all of them because some of them, guys, are really degen. But like Skibidi, right? For instance, Skibidi, right? Everybody know this from the talking toilet, right? And they got some real like weird content, right? But somehow this shit is sending, right? So you can see here, Skibidi, right? And yeah, guys, you gotta go check out what we're doing also with our community project here. So we just hired a new artist, guys. So we got a new artist. Make sure you go follow our community project here on X, right? But you can see here we're pumping artwork, hand drawn artwork, right? The community has huge contents that they put up. I have nothing to do with this contest. The Elite Council for our community just put up 1 million J5 tokens, which right now is valued at around $1,200 for anybody for the next month that just pumps out contests, shares content. So anybody can win this. The Elite Council will be voting for this, guys. So everybody that's watching this stream right now, if you're not following our community project, and even if you don't hold any tokens, you just start pumping content, you're putting your position in a chance to win over $1,200 on the house. Easy. And you can see we've been really like pumping, bro. This is all us. This is all J5. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Points or so. The speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate is red everywhere, essentially.
Right. The value is not in the with the value of the community. I can't say what I want to say because I created it. But lock the fuck in, bro, because we about to do something special. So again, like we putting some juice together, guys. We putting some juice together. You know what I'm saying? We locking in. You know what I'm saying? We got artists on board. Everything is coming together right now, and there's a huge giveaway for our community project. A huge giveaway. 1 million J5 tokens. Not only do you get 1 million J5 tokens, but you also will be put in the elite council, and you can do whatever you want to do with those tokens. That's on you. We don't put any pressure on anybody, but this is huge. All you got to do is create content on art promoting J5, follow, tag, and share the community X page here, and just chill this is up till November 15th. Very, very simple. It's easy to win it, and I'm not seeing enough memes. And salute to the elite council, bro, because they putting in work, we putting in work, and I am excited. 2-year-old running around the house yelling, yo, skid bit. Bro, that toilet is eerie, right? Don't face Zano. I gotta check out Zano. I don't think I've ever heard of that one. Did you copy love? I know you don't have to be hood with me. Treat me like you would. Bro, I'm not even hood, bro. What are we on, bro? Oh man, this is J Flick. What's up, baby? My boy Millie looking like Future Sensational. Hey, bro, you already know, bro. I've been locked in 45 days strong, baby, putting in the work, games, a little bit of that Lions mane. You know what I'm saying? Face clear, everything popping. Let's go, Flick. I don't either, phone stand channel. I got nothing but love for my brothers, baby. Armzilla, $20 at 3x. We want 30. Armzilla. Hey, Armzilla. Yo, I went to the gym and I tried what you were saying, right? You told me, hey, Millie, you don't have to do a lot of cardio. Just lift faster. That worked, brother. Salute to my Armzilla. My boy Armzilla put me on to something. He said, look, Millie, I know you like running. I know you like doing your cardio. But on the days you don't want to run, just lift faster. You was on to something with that. What's up, Mega? Mega J, we got 1,200 up, my boy. Good. Let's get this out here, guys, because, man, I'm telling you, we get this thing cracking. Look, I made the project for the community, bro. I made it for the community, and, you know what I mean? This is for the community. So, I want the community to be successful and win. So that's for the community, not me. I'm good. I want y'all to win. That's right, Arzilla. That's right. But yeah, guys, we've been go follow the page. I'll put it in the chat now. Go follow the page. If you got tokens, you got tokens. If you don't, you don't. That's on you. That's your business. None of my business. Y'all do what y'all do. We over here giving good vibes and peaceful. But if you are interested in what we're doing with our community token, that's the X page. Go check it out. Check the contracts. Do your research. Do whatever you want to do. And come hang with us, man. Come hang with us. It's good to see Mega J. We got the council up in this joint. Mega J, did you play? How do you like off the grid? How do you like off the grid? It's like the second crypto game that made it out the trenches, but besides that one in the last bull run. I forgot the name of it. Axie Infinity. How do you like off the grid, bro? Oh, I thought that was Adam 22. I said, hell nah. Y'all rocking with off the grid? They just did some optimization. So I have this game, right? And the optimization was okay. No, it wasn't that good. I take that. It wasn't good, right? It was hard as hell for me to run it on my PC, and I got a very good PC. And I've seen a lot of people saying the same thing that I was saying. So I'm watching the streams. I'm like, damn, I know Tim the Tapman and all them on PC. Why they shit running so good? So I guess they upgraded the optimization. I haven't played it since the upgrade. So I'm going to check out the upgrade and see if the optimization is way better. But Mega J, how's the optimization on Xbox or PS5? I forgot which one you got. I know you got PS5 for Xbox, and I know I believe you played on console. What do you think about the game? Do you think that this is the game that's going to onboard people into crypto? They got like a crazy way that you can earn within this game. It's not specifically designed for you to think about the blockchain, but it is giving you an opportunity to earn in a decentralized fashion through skins and in-game assets. So this is the chosen one of this cycle that's allegedly going to bring massive adoption into crypto. And I also want to know what you guys think about the game. But yes, I have played it. Have you seen Emergent sound kind of like StarCraft? I gotta check that right now because you want to win. Don't leave a brother out. Hey man, I want everybody to win. Millie, do you have a certain schedule? No, because what happens is with the whole. So the reason I don't live stream as consistent as I want is because what I've noticed, right, is that I'm monetized, right, and frankly, I'm just too real to live stream, guys. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I probably could grow my channel real quick, but I have no filter, right? And not having no filter gets me in trouble sometimes, right? So I had to make a educated decision based on my personality, like so that it's not in the best interest for me to live stream, right? Because I don't do disrespect. I got character integrity. I don't like people to play around with my character. I tend to be honest about projects, which could put what we're doing as far as our community project in the fire to get attacked. And I want to protect our community. So I had to just say, you know what? Let's just take a step back from live streaming and just do content. And maybe once a month or twice a month, I'll do a pretty dope live stream. But it's just, I feel like I'm just too transparent. And that kind of hurts me in crypto, right? Because the motherfuckers that just do whatever they want to do and say whatever they say to make people feel good and to just to make you want to go buy some shit and not really think about the core, the core. Yeah, I just is best interest for me to just stop doing that. Jay Flick said all fact. I'm just being real. He said, I believe that Off the Grid is going to make huge noise, but also was pissed off with the game in my note. Yeah. So Luis, you went through what I went through, right? And this is no knock to Off the Grid. Off the Grid, if you want to hit me up with a sponsorship, hit me up. I always let my community know when I'm giving out sponsored content. That's another thing. I'll always, guys, if I ever was sponsored by a token, you will see the sponsored tag, right? A lot of people will ask, well, are you a sponsor? I never was sponsored by Elon. I never been sponsored by Jasmine. That's all tokens that I either held or hold. Okay, so I want to make that clear. Do you think Live Peer is a good play? It's one of my picks. I think that a lot of gaming tokens will do well if this becomes a hit because everybody will want to be a part of the gaming, like run. So, when me, what is this, Casper? Is this a Casper meme coin? I heard Casper meme coins are starting to do well. I got to check it out. All right, so let's go to the gaming. Yeah. So, yeah, I think that if this is a hit, a lot of gaming tokens will do well, right? Beam, Myria. What's that other one that I like? It's another one that I like. What's the name of it? Karat. We've seen Ape drop Ape Chain. So, like, Off the Grid kind of, like, started the gaming bull run. And right now, they're correcting a little bit across the board. But I think the next leg up is coming soon. And it's all because Off the Grid. And to be fair, I know a lot of the streamers were sponsored by Off the Grid. But some of them just playing Off the Grid just off the fun factor or to create content. But I did have the same problem with the optimization, and I'm hoping that they fix that. One of my favorite plays right now in gaming also is GFAL because of the team behind it. The former, EA Sports team that's now into a crypto project, so I'm bullish on that. I'm bullish on Super, and I'm also bullish on Bytes, Neo Tokyo. So when it comes to gaming, I do not fade Elliott Trades. I do not fade Alex Becker. Do not fade them, right? I front run them. Right? So many tokens that Alex Becker talked about, I was already in, right? He started talking about Neuro AI. I've been in Neuro AI. You know what I'm saying? He started talking about this and that, and I've been in these tokens. So I don't fade Elliott Trades or Alex Becker. I front run them. And there's people that can sit here and be like, yeah, he ain't capping. No cap. Live TV doesn't have to deal with the nonsense, so I understand that part, Millie, but you can't deny the world of who you are because of a few idiots do more. I know, phone, bro. I know, bro. But, you know, it's so easy to get demonetized these days for just saying the wrong thing, and I know how I am. And if you say the wrong thing in live, it just doesn't, no. So I just don't got the patience for it. Imagine how as a viewer, I feel you don't have any tokens, I guess, talk about second guessing. Oh, well, I don't know, man. I have a lot of tokens. Well, I'm not gonna say a lot, but I have a good bag. What do you do, bro? Everything good with you and the family? Yes, Papa Gus. See, that's what I'm talking about. Appreciate you, Papa. How you doing over there, good brother? How's the fam? How everything doing, man? Or, you know, how's life, right? Eating good? You good over there? Everything good? Remember, y'all, tell a family member or loved one you love them, bro. Tell them every day. Tell somebody every day that you love them. Brother, sister, don't matter what color, whatever. You know, wake up with joy in your heart. Wake up with love in your heart, right? There's no better feeling than waking up and just, you know, having love in your heart for the, you know, the next person, right? I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. I was driving this morning, right, to go grab me some creamer because I got creamer that I use, just a regular half and half, right? And I ran out, right? So I had to go to the store early, and there was traffic, right? And there was this person in traffic, and they was just like profusively blowing their horn, really trying to piss me the fuck off, right? And I try to stay away from road rage because road rage can get ugly, especially where I'm at, right? It can get really ugly, right? So I'm sitting here like, man, I already know like the old me would have hopped out my vehicle because this is traffic, no cars moving, like you gonna keep blowing me down, right? And I had to think about how far I came, everything that I would be risking. Like one bad situation can just end it all. And this is why you got to understand in life, there's no resets. So you know what I did? Because I got in the other lane, right? They tried to pull next to me, right? I'm thinking like, okay, cool. You know what I mean? Window tinted. You know, I'm not with that, right? So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just play the high road. I'm acting like how the one folks be when they cut you off, but they know they cut you off, but they ain't want to look at you. And I'm like, you know, I ain't even gonna entertain that because I know if I entertain it, this could not end well, right? Maybe for me or maybe for them. So I just kept driving, didn't think I know none of it, right? And I was like, man, you know, just imagine waking up early in the morning, getting into a road rage incident, and somebody taking your life. You know what I mean? And all you want to do is go get some creamer. But because of your ego and your pride, you know, you let your whole family down. Everybody that's dependent on you. So that really was like, wow. Show the maturity in me and the growth that I've taken. So I was just proud of myself and how I handled that situation because I know how the old me wouldn't handle that situation. It's good that you're great. No, don't second guess your buys. You got to buy what you understand. Just waiting for the world to change over to this crypto. Man, they coming. Cetify. They posted about emergence an hour ago. Could be the number one. Let's check it out. Check it out. Cetify is a great launch. Look, guys, Launchpad tokens. Do not sleep on them. They've been really, really quiet, but when the bull hits, these MFers be running. There's a lot of sleeper launchpad tokens. Cetify, Dex Check. Those are the two that I'm going to name for now. I don't want to get too degen, but pay attention. All right, so I'll go follow them and see what they got going on. Man, there's a lot of good crypto games. You got Star Atlas. You got Compete. Now, I actually play Compete. Now, this is the thing. This is the thing that really, really just hurt my heart about Compete not really getting the what they should be getting, because they came with the jet packs and all that. Well, first let me check out Emergence and see what you're talking about. All right.
It was
I'm not
made
gonna
up.
play the sound because I don't want to get demonetized. Create reality. You can build your own things. What is it, like The Sims? Is this something like The Sims or something? All right, so yeah, Compete should be valued way more than it should be valued, right? This I don't know why this game don't get more looks, more likes. Like, the optimization is way more cleaner than Off the Grid. I can play Compete all day and it's not skipping, it's not like all, draggy or nothing like that. I play this all day and have no problems. I hop on Off the Grid and I'm bouncing around, I'm lagging, and I don't know why Compete doesn't get the respect that it should get as a game in this space. Because a lot of the things that Off the Grid is doing, Compete already accomplished. And I've played this game and had a little bit more funner playing this. Now they got cars and stuff. They didn't have cars when I played it. Now they got cars. I had more fun playing Compete than I had playing Off the Grid. And you see, that's just me being all the way real with y'all. I had more fun playing Compete than I play Off the Grid. Ain't nobody finna be real and tell y'all that. Well, I'm here to tell y'all that. This is a sleeper, man. This is a sleeper. Sometimes our pride may just blind us. We just need to take time and clean our mind. That's true, man. Because they didn't have Ninja and other. Talk to them, Cat Loco. Talk to them. And they probably shilled out a huge bag to those influencers, right? But I'm just saying, like, when it comes to like gameplay, Compete has better gameplay. Clarity of gameplay. I don't want to say like it's better gameplay, because Off the Grid, like, you could take off your arm and put a new arm and all that shit. That shit raw. Like, that shit heat. That's fire. They kind of combined the rise of AI with gaming. That's fire. But like the performance, right? The performance of the game, way more cleaner Compete. Like, no lagging. I'm playing all day. If only the rooms were bigger, right? When it's just, and you're right. They didn't pay for that market, and marketing matters, guys. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody know that shit exists, it's OVO. It's OVO. It's OVO. What? They be talking about crypto and you see stuff like this in the stock market. All right. That was that. Okay. It's it, bro. That's wild. That's a wild piece of news right there. I wasn't expecting to see it. I wasn't expecting to see that. Oh my God. That's crazy. Yes, I like Miria. Miria was one of my phase 1 tokens. We bought Miria at the bottom, sold at the top. It might be ready for round 2 though. I got some dust to Miria, but it ain't really worth nothing at this point. But at some point, they're going to be round 2 is going to be on point for Miria. So at some point they'll do a round 2. Yeah. I already got everything set up, and I'm waiting for Miria to give me my confirmation, and we will get prepared for round 2 of Miria. Same thing. We're going to run it back. We're running it back the same thing that we did in phase 1. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top. This time, though, we don't know where the top might go, because we might get into that one phase of crypto. He said, I bagged Miria. Haven't heard it compete. Yeah, man, compete, in my opinion, right? Just watch Unhinged on Netflix about road rage. It was about just what you face. Yeah, bro, like, road rage is real, bro. Like, I don't know what people be on, like, what in their head, but a month, I'll blow you down in traffic. And I hate to say it like that, but that happens, bro. And you gotta be safe than sorry out here, right? In this world, like, people crazy, bro. People just crazy. You never know what the next person going through, right? They could have been, you know, that, and that's how I looked at it, right? That person could have just maybe had lost somebody, lost a loved one, you know what I mean? Ready to just crash out, right? Crash. Guys, is that be cue the meme coin? Is it actually doing good? I normally have these type of meme coins on my watch list. These words crash out. It's so many of them. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's all what are they doing? They got a whole bunch of LPs. It's all the same one. What they putting up? But yeah, you see crash out. Everything is tokenized. Phrases are tokenized these days, guys. No, I do not hold any crash out. I'm just showing you an example of a word that was token. I do not hold that token. Do not buy that token. I do not know nothing about it. I gotta make it clear, because I am not your fan. That's why I said in that last video, go buy your own meme coins. I just told Phone Stand Channel, just because I ain't holding what you holding, don't mean your portfolio might not be successful. Maybe your portfolio outperforms mine. But the key to this whole crypto thing and being able to sleep good with your bags is buying things that you understand. And if you have an understanding and wisdom, knowledge behind why you decided to pull that trigger, that's on you. And maybe that's the best decision for you. It's never good to just straight copy trade motherfuckers. Like that's don't do that. Thoughts on Carl and Lady? Lady will most likely do well. They have an NFT culture, like literally culture. Carl also has a great culture, powered by Crow Fam. Both of those tokens have good potential. I'm chilling with CAH and Alea. You still hold Alea? I haven't checked out in a while. How are they doing? I know that guy was building his ass off, bro. He was building. It's been holding strong. Not bad. It's been holding strong. But the guy behind this has been building. He's been building his butt off. And I respect him for every day coming up, putting his shirt and tie on, and showing up to work, bro. I got a different type of respect for that in crypto, because I know how hard this is. I know how hard this is to get people involved and want to be a part of what you're doing. It is not easy. But yeah, I do hold Moon Tropica. That's one of my plays that I front ran Alex Becker. I didn't even know Alex Becker was going to start talking about it, but he pumped my bag. So thank you, Alex Becker. I need to get some more Moon Tropica now that it's down here. I might do a DCA. Or maybe a consolidation on a meme coin that's not doing well. And I'm, just sometimes you get a meme coin that just not doing well, and you just don't have conviction. It's okay to sell it and put it into something you do have conviction in, right? But Bato is selling. I mean, is pumping. This is one of the token metrics was talking about on my interview I did with him. He was talking about this token here, Bato. Isn't this the art token that tokenizes artwork? I think it is. Yep, it is. It's the yeah, it is. I have to pay attention to this. Why is the chart not pulling up? It's up 134% on the 7-day. Yeah, Token Metrics talked about this token when I did an interview with them guys. Make sure you go check out my interview with Token Metrics. Oh, this might be ready. Oh, this might be ready. Oh yeah, this is ready. Oh man, this is ready. This most likely is about to fly. I'm loving what I'm seeing on my indicators here. All right, we got a MACD green print here. To the upside, stock RSI explosion, RSI over 50 and price above the VWAP. The only thing I would be looking for on the weekly is the rejection at the 786 here. But if it breaks clean through this 786, this is ready. This is ready. This is a nice move right here. RSI above 50, bullish. Stock RSI, bullish. MACD print green, bullish. Price above the VWAP, bullish. The only thing that I would look at right here is resistance at the 786. Besides that, I would say that this is ready. This is ready. Good thing I clicked on it. Might have a nice little trade here, huh? All right. Rejection back down. Starting this new leg up. I'll have to keep this on my tabs. This could be a good trade. So these are the type of charts that I like to share in my Patreon. I look for good, solid projects. If we're on a meme coin run, we on some meme coin shit. Y'all know I'll do a quick little, But when it comes to like projects that have stood the test of time, right, and have a good utility and use case behind it, I'm all for charts that look like this. With like explosion, this thing is bringing in $1 million, almost $1 million in volume with all bullish indicators. This is a beautiful trade, right? Like whales are licking their chops and taking this trade all day. Volume, RSI bullish, stock RSI bullish, MACD bullish, price above the VWAP, and good volume. That's a recipe for success. Recipe for success. Oh, Jesus Coin like is gonna run again. I have Jesus Coin. I think you were saying that really is just these communities can make you feel like you're wrong, so you think no. That's why I don't live stream that much. Baby Sheep on Eve is always looking like it's going to make another run. Decent liquidity for low cap. I've never heard of Baby Sheep. What's the ticker? I've never heard of Baby Sheep. This could be a sleeper though, right? Like those whole baby narrative. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This looks good. This looks good too. Only thing we need more volume. We need more volume. We need more volume. If the volume starts to uptick, I would look for the uptick on volume. Went through 270% dips. According to Murad's thesis, you got RSI above 50, stock RSI a bit oversold. So I would be looking for a little bit of a correction here, maybe a handle. MACD bullish though, so this thing could continue to go up and break the 200-day moving average as you see right here, and maybe retest it for support. Price is above VWAP, so you got a lot of bullish things going for you here. Not bad. Let's see how the content is. Let's see how the content in the artwork is, right? Do they got good content, good artwork? Salute to the Wolf community. Guys, my biggest Matt Furry holding is Land Wolf on ETH. I like that. Dang, bruh. Easy artwork to draw. So this is easy for an artist to come in and just cook up some fire, right? Yeah, they cooking up some fire. Oh yeah, I would pay attention to it. They got some KOLs on board, and this thing is sub 1 million, and it's under the Sheeb narrative. Man, all it takes is a few Shiba Inu wheels to hop in this, and it's gonna send. It's gonna. I gotta keep an eye on this. It's gonna send. It's gonna send. Jeff is not sleeper. Thoughts on Pepe? Yeah, I heard of Jeff. Yeah, Jesus Coin. I have that. That's my number one. Faith coin as far as culture. Man, there's not a better culture, because you got to think of about it like this with Jesus Coin. Like a lot of these tokens say, oh, we got cultures, we doing this, we doing that. But do you truly have a culture? Because with Jesus Coin, bro, Jesus Coin literally has a huge church. Like they have church, like the holders, they have church every Sunday. So this is a real culture. And I'm not here to talk about faith, okay? Because of course, yes, I have faith in the universe and in whatever, right? I don't want to make this about religion, right? But I'm a man of faith, right? But yeah, it's going for the retest of the 618. Not worried at all. This is a long-term hold for me. They sponsored my channel at one point, but Maker is base, bro. Maker is base. I've talked to the founder. I've done an interview for the founder. So if you're new to my channel, you can go back and check my Jesus videos where I interviewed Maker. That's my guy. Like I rocks with Maker. I hold this token, and I'm riding this thing out. What's the goal that the community has is 77 billion. I'm riding it out because if they're able to capture just 1% of the Christianity faith, on top of that, incorporate a way to tithe using the blockchain, this is going to explode. This is going to explode. And there's not another true culture token. Like these other tokens are like they're building like cults and culture, but like this is positive culture. This ain't no toxic stuff right here. This is positive culture. And I want to be part of a positive culture that's giving out positive vibes and manifestation. And I appreciate what these guys are doing. And yeah, I'm rolling with them. Peak bull run, I'm rolling with it. Might well get into Iceland, Land Wolf's alter ego. Wait. He has an alter ego? Nah, no, he don't. I'm hoping I can get something done with those guys over there on Land Wolf. Maybe a joint stream and things like that. I'm working out some things with one of the main guys over there with the Wolf. The Wolf community is based, bro. The Wolf community is based. This is interesting. My type of chart, first of all. I'm about to go. I gotta go hang in the Telegram. Now, why you show me this, man? You know Wolf is my favorite Matt Furry character, bro. One of my guys shared an alter ego of Brett in the Discord yesterday. So I think alter egos are the new meta. Artwork is drippy. I just like Land Wolf, dog. That is my dog. Because if I was a Matt Furry artist, this would be me. Y'all already know I always got shades on, bro. Y'all gonna see me with them Viper shades on soon. I'm about to grab me a pair of them Viper shades. Yo. Oh, man. No holder dater? 860 holders. Why bro show me this? He know I'm a freaking degen. That's interesting. Oh man, I exchange. No, I do both. I do self custody and I have some tokens on exchange. I got both. I ain't gonna sit here and say I don't got both. I got both. I got some tokens on exchange and self custody. Yeah, I do a lot of decks too. Who MDG? What are you laughing at? MDG, what are you laughing about? Cause you MGG, you already know. Best low cap gem for the bull cycle. What narrative wise mine? Jesus is my third biggest bag. Finally broke the top 50. Yeah, man. Jesus coin is one of my favorite my favorite faith tokens out of all of them. So you deal MDG. What you on, bro? MDG. Follow me on X, bro. Have you looked into Geki? Yeah, I might have to. Iceland is interesting. Iceland is interesting. It is interesting. I'm a fucking Dejin, dog. I don't care about nothing. I'm a Dejin. Geki? 997,000. Who is this? What character is this, man? We got so much characters. I don't know which one to believe in these days. CTO? Is it a real CTO? Is it a fake CTO? Who knows, man? Who knows? Inspect. Y'all see I got my Inspect, bro. Inspect is about to be a big token, guys. And you see it's integrated directly in Twitter. Check out this layer 2, Inspect. I use it all the time. Geki is the Gecko character based on Matt Furry's The Night Riders. Now establishing his own Formula Racing team? Nah, that's based. Okay, so I've said this in my Discord, right? I only like certain characters within the Matt Furry narrative, but I would if I was into this, right? I wouldn't fade a team that's putting something behind what they're doing, and this could be something. Are these professionals? Wait. Sub 1 million? Ain't no way. I hate meme coins, dog. I ain't gonna have no money because I keep buying these fucking meme coins, bro. It's y'all fault, bro. I can't keep buying these joints, bro. This is interesting. This is interesting. All right, the last 2 meme coins y'all shared with me have really, really piqued my interest. But I like Iceland for the pumponomics potential. I like this because I'm a sucker for a team that's working, right? And they're willing to put they name on the line with their race car for this. Dope artwork. Last 2 meme coins y'all just sent me could be some hitters. They could definitely be some hitters. The value of a game wise, the X-ray tech, the machinist, the medic, the dental hygiene is worn down. Everything they are not and could never be. Never seen no one like me. They like who is wise buys, bro. That's a hard question, bro. I'm still thinking about it, but that's a hard question. Mega J, really, you would have to deal with it if you bought XRP. What? Kamala Harris got $10 million worth of XRP now. What's your thoughts on that? I'm out. See you at X phone stand. Appreciate you popping up, brother, and continue the success, man. I see you named a few things that you do. You do a lot, bro. Continue that success. I love it. Myra. I've heard of Myra back in the day, from the Gotbit days. From the Gotbit days. XRP. Why you taking that? Could run like Myro. I remember Myra from the Gotbit days. MDG. Definitely caught my interest. And whoever sent Shill definitely has caught my interest. Both of those have definitely caught my interest. I don't know about the whole Myro and Myra thing. Like, it was hot when it was hot. Will it come back? It all depends on if Myro comes back. But the last 2 tokens y'all just sent me, Baby Sheep was okay too. I ain't gonna lie, Baby Sheep was okay. But the last 2 y'all sent me, I really like. I really like. Guys, I gotta get up out of here. Salute to my boy Mega J. Mega J, I asked you earlier if you like off the grid. You ain't respond, bro. But Iceland and Geki, I am going to continue to pay attention to, right? I'm going to continue to pay attention to those. Guys, it's been one. I appreciate everybody out here that tuned into the live stream. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Remember, health is wealth. And every day you wake up, tell a family member you love them. And if you like these streams and you want me to stream more, I don't know if I can promise it. Let me know in the comments. Follow my Twitter. Help out a community project. Whatever you want to do, you do. But I'm going to have to catch y'all the next one because I got to go run now. I got to go jog. I got to go put some cardio in. I gotta put some cardio in. Yeah, those last 2 was some hitters, y'all. I was streaming with a whole bunch of goats. Thomas, Zach, Matt Perry, everybody streaming. Y'all flipping through the channels right now. Huh? But yeah, I gotta go, guys. I appreciate everybody that did come to the live stream. You know what I'm saying? But you know,
Liberty Mutual customized my
out of here.
OG MG VO V. Life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm unslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, yeah, you should too, because we all deserve to feel special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are felt through. My resolve is deeper than Gaunt's when Peter took kite from his arms. I'll travel at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pains me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second thought? Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from